Hey guys, all right, so I'm about to do my eyebrows. Let me see, I should be looking over here. Okay, so we all at home, quarantine. I'm such a DIY girl that I hate going to the salon. But anyway, so the things that I use, hopefully you have at home if you're trying to do your eyebrows yourself. I have is an eyebrow brush, or this is like you use this as a mascara brush, but an eyebrow brush, whatever you call this thing. Tweezers, scissors. You can use eyebrow scissors if you have. I never liked them. So the same scissors you use to trim your hair, if they're, just regular. And I have there's alcohol in this. It was a brush cleaner, but I use this just to oh, and masking tape. So again, you need tweezers, a brush, masking tape, scissors, a brush cleaner, or you don't need this. You can just wash your brush. But I have alcohol in this, so I'm just gonna just spray this, and then I'm gonna let it sit for a couple of seconds, and then I spray the tweezers too. I have my magnifying mirror, so I'm trying to film this and show this to you guys. So okay, so I'm gonna dry this off. I have a little tissue. So to dry it off, you can even just wash it with soap and water. And again, I'm in New York, so I live in a very small apartment, basically a studio with a tiny extra room. So you see everything in the back. My kitchen, my little yeah. I'm just keeping it real. So we all on quarantine. So I'm just coming to you guys. Okay, so this is dry. So the first thing I do is, and I'm gonna look down. First thing I do is just I brush it up in the shape that I want it to be. So I know how much I want to take off. So, and if you hear a sound, it is getting hot. It's like 60 degrees today, so you just gonna hear that AC. But I'm about to do a voiceover because I don't even like the AC sound in my videos. So here we go. Okay, so now that I brush my eyebrows in where I want it, I take the tape and I always do the bottom of my eyebrows first. So I arch the tape in the shape of the eyebrows I want it to be on the bottom. But I use the tape as a guide so I know how much to tweeze. So whatever lashes are hanging out underneath the tape, I know those are the lashes that I have to tweeze. And this just helps me keep my eyebrow in a straight line. Now again, I'm not a professional. I have not gone to beauty or cosmetology school, but I've been doing this for years, and this is what I've been doing in order to shape my eyebrows, and it's worked for me. So we're all under quarantine and working from, well, most of us are working from home. And if you're tired of having bushy brows, which I was, shoot, I don't care if I'm at home. I don't have to look at my face every day. I don't want no bushy brows. So this is what I've been doing for years to shape my eyebrows. So I thought that I would just share with you guys. So I'm just plucking away now all the little hairs. And it's hard for me to do it on camera since I usually do this in my mirror in my bathroom where I have bright light. Okay, so I finished doing the bottom part of the brow. So what I'm going to do, and now you can kind of see it's a lot more, its shape is just a lot better. So I'm going to just shape the top. The top doesn't really need that much. It just has to be, I just want to be a little bit more straighter. And to be honest, I did pluck my brows last week. That's why they're not that bushy. Since I've been doing this for a while, I like to at least pluck my brows. I would say probably every week, every other week, or every week or 2 weeks. I guess it depends on my mood. So now I'm going to do the top of the brow. Alright, so what I'm going to do for the top, I'm going to take another piece of Scotch tape, and I'm just going to line the tape to where I'm only going to take off just a little bit of the top, and I'm going to try to angle it the way it is on the bottom just for consistency, because I don't want to take off too much. Like, my brows are I don't like them too thin, so we're just gonna try to make it a little bit more straighter and just more even, because right now it's just looking a little jacket. Look at a little jacket. And to be honest with you, I take my time, and if you're not used to doing this, I recommend that you take your time also. And again, I like to use regular scissors. I did actually buy eyebrow scissors, but I didn't like using it. I don't know. And then I even bought like the razor that people use. It was too harsh on my skin, and I just got a lot of like small cuts near my brows. So I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to stick to what works. This might not be the best method, but this is what's been working for me. So I'm just going to stick with it. But girl, I mean, you can try this and just take your time. Because you don't want to cut off more than you have to. I mean, yeah, you can fill it in, but honestly, I feel like eyebrows look a lot more natural when you don't have to fill it in so much. But yeah, just take your time and take practice, but it's coming along. The shape is getting a little bit better. So what I'm gonna do is go off camera and also finish this, so then I can like go in the bathroom and really see what I'm doing, because it's a little hard to do this while on camera. And then I'll come back and then I'll show you the end results after I use the same method where I use tape for the bottom, tape for the top, and then I'm going to fill it in. So I'll be right back. Yay! Alright, so this is the end result. So I shaped the top, I shaped the bottom using the tape and scissors, and then I filled it in with e.l.f. I have this e.l.f. eyebrow. I think it's like an eyebrow gel. It's a medium brown. I can't use espresso because espresso is too dark. I was trying to show you the damn, but it's just blurred out. But anyway, so I use the e.l.f. just to fill it in. And yeah, so this is how I do my eyebrows. And I hope you guys, this helps you out if you want to also shape your eyebrows. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!